Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to go and build yourself a membership website or course website using fast funnels. And we're going to do it in a website this time rather than in a funnel, which I've done in another video. So let's click on websites here and just click create new website. And then we'll go to the templates that are available with fast funnels, click on membership, and then we can have a look around and pick the one that's kind of most suited for us. I'm going to go with this one for now. So I'll just click start with this theme, call it my membership. There we are. And then submit. So we can choose our brand colors here as well if we want to. So I'm going to go and pick some orange. Here we go. And then if you've got a logo, you can upload your logo right away, or you can do it later on. It's no problem at all. And here we are. So it's used my orange, as you can see, for the for the buttons around the site, and then in some other places too, such as the text here as well. And then if we want to change the colors, a very quick way to do that is just to go to the color palette there. And if we now don't want that particular color, we can easily just switch everything over to blue, as you can see, just like that there. Really, really quick and easy to do. So this is our site. Now there's a few things that we need to do in order to start selling access to a membership. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the CRM, and we're going to add a group here, and we're going to call this paid members. But you can call it whatever you want. This is really just to create a group of people who have access to your content. And then what we're going to do then is go to our store and our products, and then we can just create an actual product there for the membership, for having access to it. So somebody's going to purchase it. Now here's one that we've got already in this template. And then you'll be able to see here, you're able to make this a subscription product. So most likely with a course, you're going to leave it as one price. But usually with a membership, you're going to be charging every single month. And you can choose that amount and how often. So I'm going to say ongoing every month, and the price is $25. We can get rid of the on sale bit as well if we want to. In fact, let's just change this to like a $27 a month membership. And then just up here, we can choose the membership group that I have chosen, that I've created there, which is paid members. And there we are. So that is now a product set up, ready to sell your membership. Now what we need to do is, if we go to the builder here, we can choose the pages that are going to form the basis of our membership. And there's already one set up here as well. You can see we've got our membership area here, another one there, and then this is just going to the store. So let's just do this here. And we're going to make this our membership. I'm just going to delete that one off just there. Oh, we have to just delete each page. Let's delete that. There we go. Now we can delete this. And then we've just got our one membership area here. So let's go and take a look at that now. And we've got a really nice kind of page here where if you've got multiple courses, then great. You could have each course linked to from each of these boxes here. Or you can have one course and just make each of these sections perhaps a module in that course. So this is kind of a course or membership dashboard. You've got complete control over this. You can add in more blocks. You can pull in widgets here, all these different types of things, images, text. Just as you can edit and build normal pages, you can build a page like this for a membership in exactly the same way. You're not restricted like a lot of systems where you're just dragging over, a certain thing that only works within a membership area. This is just like creating any other page. So you can put anything you want into here. So there's a dashboard that we've put in. You can change that to the way that you want it to be. And then here's like an actual course page right here. Now there's some clever things that you need to understand with this. This would be like, say, the first lesson here. And you can put in videos, any kind of videos that enables you to embed them. So that's things like Muse, Vidello, Wistia, Vimeo, YouTube, any of those. You can easily drop right into a page. And we can do that by going to, say, widgets right here. And we've got embed code. So it's just a case of coming over here, pasting in the video code, and then it will appear right here, just in the same way this video has just now. And then the navigation here on the left side, you'll see it says there global column. Now what's important about that is that anywhere that this global column is used, when you make a change to it, it will reflect the all pages that use this particular global column. So it's a good quick way to be able to create multiple pages and they all share the same side nav here. So this is actually, let's just call this, I'm going to call this lesson 1, just like this. We make this as our perfect lesson 1 page. Then if we want to, we could easily just, I'm just going to delete this one out here a second. We could easily now just duplicate this and then we'll call this one lesson 2. So there we are. And so on. You can keep going and just creating as many pages as you want. We can change the name of it too as well, so it makes sense. So there we go. We'll call that lesson 2. Let me just change that there. Go lesson 2, and then we can change the URL as well, lesson 2, and there we go. So now we've got that, and we can also change this first one as well to make more sense. Lesson 1. There we are. So we've got now a dashboard, and then we've got our lesson 1 and lesson 2 pages just here. And then the navigation on the left hand side, we can adjust that, or we can also use the navigation at the top. So it's entirely up to you. You don't have to build it this way. You can just have one column here with all your content in and use navigation at the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete this block here out the way. There we go. So instead of having the same navigation that you always have on your main website, you can use what we call an alternate navigation, and that will be specifically for another page of your choice. So if we go to here, here's our page now, we're in lesson 2. If I want to, I can just change it to here where it says use the alternative header for this page. So I'm just going to do that right now just to show you the difference. Now if you look at the top, it's now changed completely. This is a completely now different menu system to the one that's used on your main front-end website. And you can edit this menu to navigate around your course if you want to. So we could quite easily change this. Let me delete all of these things off here quickly. There we go. Get rid of those. Don't need to contact us and everything else. And we're just going to call this, I'm just going to call this lesson 1. And then I'm going to simply link this page. We're going to go to pages, and then we're going to find that lesson, which will be in here. There you go, lesson 1. And then I can add another menu item, and we're going to change that to lesson 2. There we go. And lesson 2. So you can see right up here now, we've got our menu instead of down the left here. So you've got the choice, either do it down this side with a global column, or just do it all above here and keep it looking like this. I'm going to move this over a little bit as well. Let's keep that over there. That's a login, log out. There we are. And just click save. And you can do submenus as well. So if you've got, you know, multiple things underneath lesson 1, you can quite easily do that. But so there's the navigation, and just to show you the difference, let me come out and go to your home page, for example, here. And there you go. You know, you've got a completely different navigation system to the one that we just saw. So that's how you do it. You use an alternative header. Very, very simple. So going back to our pages, how do we stop people from being able to access this private membership area? Well, all we need to do is on the settings of the pages, it does say there page access. So we're going to change that to be members only, and then we're going to choose the group paid members. And then we can, I'm also going to use the alternative header while I'm here too. So now we'll just click save. And we can do that for each of the pages or any other pages that we do. We're all just going to make them members only and paid members. So in other words, someone has to be in that group of being a being a paid member group, here we go, look, paid members, they have to be one of those in order to be able to see any of this content. So you can protect all of your membership area and your course, no problem at all, from anybody being able to get it unless they've purchased your product, which, as you might recall here, if we go to products, we set this one up right now, this $27 a month product, and we said that when somebody buys this, they go into the group of paid members. So you see, it's actually very logical. It's all very, very logical. We've created a member group. We've created the product that allows someone to become a member of that group. And then we've protected our pages that we want to make as part of our membership and only given access to people in that member group. So it's a very simple process in actual fact to go and create any area like this. Now you could, if you wanted to, create 3 different, completely different membership areas. That's very, very easy to do. Let's just say we wanted to have another entire course. Why don't we just create a new page group, and we'll call that course 2. And then we can start adding new pages and drop them into this group. And then we've now got another whole course. So you can have multiple courses all within one website if you want to do that. And again, if we create a new course, we could also only allow people who have purchased access to that member group as well. So we can create a new member group for it. So all we need to do is the same process as what we did before. So this time we're gonna call it course 2 members, like that. And now any page that we build for that particular group, we can just change it so that they have to be a member of that group. So I'm just going to take one of these. Let me just duplicate this. There we go. And then we're just going to move this now. I'm going to click show settings and move it to the course 2 group. So I've got my page there. We're going to make it members only. And this time it's only going to be for people who are a member of course 2. We're going to use the alternative header, although actually we won't use the alternative for this one because it's going to be different. And there we are. So we've now got another course right here. We're going to delete this block right there. And there we go. So now we've got like another entire course here in course 2 that we can start building out. So you can have multiple different courses with it and memberships with any website that you have with fast funnels. So hopefully that was pretty clear. If you've got any questions, of course, you can get in touch with our support. But that's how you create a membership area within any website, and in fact, multiple memberships or courses.